Pumapasok po ako sa school, may naririnig po akong putok. Malakas po siya na parang biglang putok po siya. Tapos kapag narinig ko po yun, natatakot po ako at diretso lang po sa paglakad papuntang school. Para po sa akin, ang gusto ko pong ituro sa kabataan ay simulan ang kapayapaan sa sarili.
People might see that there are a lot of festivities, celebrations, there are a lot of implementations. But behind those activities, there are stories that were not told. These are stories of how communities entrusted their time, their smiles, their pains, and their meaningful stories.
Isa sa mga challenges na na-encounter ko as a peace advocate po, one is yung commitment ng mga tao. So, 2018 po, of course, bilang isang kabataan sa Marawi, hindi sa amin common yung mga seminars regarding peace, no? Pangalawa po is, yun nga, yung safety. Kami nga na taga dito is iniisip namin yung safety namin natatakot din kami. Pero yung World Vision, talagang pumunta sila dito. So dahil sa commitment na yun ng World Vision, yun yung nag-push sa amin na nakaya nga nila hindi nga sila natakot. So kami matatakot kami.
Ang maganda kasi po sa World Vision ay hindi lang eskwelahan ang tinutulungan nila, kasali na rin ang mga komunidad, kasali na rin ang mga barangay. Talagang nagkakaroon kami ng interaksyon para mabuo yung mga pagtutulungan namin at saka nagiging masaya kami kasi alam namin na sa hinaharap, sa future, makikita namin ang mga batang masayahin.
When we first started, one of the biggest challenges na na-encounter namin is yung pag-build ng connection with other youths. Since we have differences in terms of cultural beliefs and perspectives in life, minsan may mga paniniwala kami na hindi nagtutugma. So I think yun yung pinaka-challenging is kung paano namin siya ma-overcome na at the end of the day, we will be able to share our own stories at the same time understanding yung side din nila ng mga kwento na para sa amin is salungat or iba sa paniniwala na meron kami.
I thought it is just an simple collaboration with them, considering the fact that they're just, a non-government organization and they have this kind of project. But I never thought that there would be really a massive embracing of the different activities in line with the peace.
Bilang isang guro, marami akong nakita na lahat positibo. Kasi magmula nung dumating ang World Vision sa buhay namin, naging makulay. Kasi talagang napakaraming na itulong ang World Vision na silang naging tungkod namin para makita ang liwanag.
kapayapaan sa sarili bago sa komunidad. Dati po, mahihayin po ako dahil po sa ECAP, natutuwa ko magsalita sa harap ng maraming tao.
Hinayaan nila kaming maging bata. Hinayaan nila kaming ikwento or i-express yung mga opinions, mga suggestions namin, and pina-feel nila sa amin na naririnig yung mga boses ng kabataan.
And masasabi kong ako isa akong living proof talaga kagandahang naidulot ng World Vision. Wala akong alam sa peace, ako honestly wala akong paki sa peace eh. Kasi hindi naman kami pinapakinggan, hindi naman kami bilong sa usaping peace. Kasi bata lang kami. Pero ngayon, makikita naman natin na sa bawat plano, sa bawat activities, sa bawat gagawin ngayon ng kahit anong programa, merong youth representative.
Nakita namin yung pagbabago sa school namin. Kasi kami yung naatasan bilang maging peacemaker para ma-maintain yung peace sa school namin. So, napakalaking bagay po yun sa amin sa school namin.
So, ang natutunan o na-learn ko sa ECAP is yung cooperation namin sa bawat isa po. Kung walang cooperation nitong mga kasama ko, maaabot to ng mga isang buwan para lang ma-perfect yung preparation namin.
Itong ganitong event series napakalaking tulong sa iba't ibang barangay kasi nagkakaroon ng komunikasyon sa every communication, nagkakaroon ng unity ba sa ibang barangay.
Because of this project, I've learned that kaming mga kabataan ay hindi kabataan lang.
Naging voice ako ng youth, especially ng youth sa aming barangay.
Nakatulong sa akin para ma-relieve yung stress and yung mga problema ko as a student lang din po.
Hindi lang po ang sarili ko ngayon ang dala-dala ko sa ganitong activity, pati na rin po ang mga kasama kong kabataan po sa aming barangay is kasali na po at naisama ko na po dito sa activity na ito. And
there is a lot of out-of-school youth. So we promote these platforms in order for them to connect and gather collective ideas and gather collective efforts.
Yung sportsmanship talaga sa basketball is napaka-importante. Dahil kanina is muntik na akong matapilok and because dahil yung ibang kasama ko na hindi ko kilala na tinulungan niya ako and hindi dahil magkalaban kayo sa laro pero magkaibigan kayo sa labas.
Magiging humble lang po kasi hindi po kumbaga sa larangan po ng pagiging true sport is hindi po dinadala yung kayabangan.
I'm so very nervous kasi po paano kung sumali ako sa activity na to, then di ma-meet yung expectation ng mga judges. So thankfully, na-survive ko din naman po.
I feel so happy because it was my first time joining World Vision and it gives me the opportunity to showcase my talent and also to boost my confidence.
Masaya ako dahil nakasali ako sa poster making at mas lalong masaya ako dahil marami akong mga naging kaibigan. Ang ibig sabihin ng art ko ay kailangan ang mga kabataan ay ma-involve sa iba't ibang klase ng sport at kailangan din magkaisa sila at magtulungan para makamit ang kapayapaan.
Well, I still remember that the old adage that says no man is an island. Hindi mo kaya kung nag-iisa ka. Kapag tayo ay may partnership with other non-government organization, napifeel natin na we are being loved.
Collaboration is the key. And what's good about World Vision Philippines is in-emphasize talaga yung sustainability that even if they are not there with you, we will still continue those projects that are related po sa Peace Mindanao Project.
Doon din sa pag-aayos ng mga conflict, maraming naibibigay na tulong ang ating World Vision na paano mapaayos yung mga kunting sigalot sa mga barangay dahil na rin sa binibigyan nilang mga capacity development o sa mga project sa ating mga barangay.
Natutulungan namin sila, lalo na kung regarding sa peace, dahil naaano namin sila, halimbawa kung may nag-away.
I'm proud to be part of the Mindanao Peace Project because it allows me to help transform pain into purpose and build a future where dignity and hope and justice can exist.
Congratulations sa World Vision Philippines sa tagumpay ng Peace Forum Project na pinondohan ng European Commission. Sa estratehiya ng World Vision na binukas ang programang ito sa mga iba't ibang CSO, sa iba't ibang non-government organizations, feeling namin na kami ay kabahagi ng proyektong ito.
The primary goal of this activity to more deeper experience to the young peace leaders of different schools representing their schools and even family and community.
So even in our small things in education, we can expand our advocacy by sharing to our students the importance of living with harmony in the earth. To the students, to the teachers, we can share a lot of information about what we would be able to learn from this Peace Forum.
Naaway sa pamamagitan ng forum na ito, sa huli makagawa tayo ng isang konkretong hakbang mula sa mga hanay ng mga naritong mga organisasyon, makahikayat na magsusulong ng pangangalaga ng ating kalikasan.
Dahil nga dun sa mga kababaihan na kagaya namin na nandun sa barangay, natutulungan namin sila, lalo na kung regarding sa peace, pinapasok po namin sa kanila yung self-awareness na yung problema nila ay hindi po maging conflict negative. So kung may conflict man, in a positive way na makakatulong sa kanila. Para sa akin, yung peace starts with yourself. That is self-awareness. Kasi kung you have peace within yourself, then mai-spread mo to sa mga pamilya mo. Maituturo mo sa pamilya mo, sa asawa mo, and as well as the community.
I feel grateful being part of Peace Mindanao Project because every time we carry out our initiatives with our partner schools and barangays, I experience deep sense of fulfillment, especially when I see children and youth advocating for peace.
I became part of the project only on its last 2 semesters, on its last year in 2025. But what makes me proud, what amazes me is that for the past 3 years, I've seen that the project has really built strong relationship with stakeholders from the academe, from the barangays, from our religious partners, the youth, and of course the children. From their narratives and experiences, we can really say that the children and the youth were empowered, the communities as well.
What makes me proud about this project is the idea that children and youth are capable to lead in building a resilient, inclusive, and a peaceful community.
So we just want to say thank you, World Vision and European Union, for the unending support we are giving to these young people.
As a celebratory of what we have achieved thus far, and we pray masustain siya and we continue to collaborate even further. And I hope if there's that opportunity for World Vision to implement programs and projects in the future, you still welcome World Vision in partnering with you.
On behalf of the city government of Cotabato, again, we thank World Vision for continuing to create spaces like this where dialogue and compassion meet.
Peace begins in everyday's action, how we treat one another, how we speak to each other, and how we choose to understand over anger.
The World Vision also encouraged me and inspired me to work also with other organizations because they were there. Despite of our differences in our religious practices natin at saka mga cultural practices natin, but we need to live in harmony.
We sustain peace not by signing agreement alone, because signing agreement alone without implementation is also another form of violence. This is our shared responsibilities. This is our collective dream. This is our moral duty as stewards of peace. In this Mindanao Week of Peace, let us not only celebrate peace, let us commit to protecting it, nurturing it, and living it. For in unity, in justice, in compassion, in faith, we will build a homeland worth of its people. BARM is our home now and beyond.
So World Vision will always be here in Mindanao, will always be here in BARM, and we are so touched with all your stories, with all your testimonies. Ay lahat yung ginagawa namin ay baliwala yung mga pagod, yung mga kulang ng tulog. So thank you so much. Of course, thank you sa European Union for trusting World Vision in doing this. And of course, in Ireland.
Peace Mindanao project evolves on how people share the journey with us. We might feel, as an organization, as World Vision, supported by the European Union, we have the support in terms of logistics, in terms of resources, but we cannot discount the fact na how the communities, schools were involved. And I think that is something that we can say that we are proud that this project is not just a project, but it's a journey of people who believes that there is no other way but peace is the only way. And I am for peace in Mindanao.